Now to a TVJ News follow-up. The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF is now reporting that journalist Job Nelson died as a result of injuries from a car crash. Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of crime Fitz Bailey told TVJ News that an autopsy performed today revealed that Mr. Nelson died after a metal object from his vehicle's airbag pierced his chest and lungs. The police initially reported that the journalist was shot in the upper body along Spanish Town Road in the vicinity of Collie Smith Drive. News of his death caused widespread anger and outrage from his colleagues, the Press Association of Jamaica, the Media Association, and the public and private sector, among other groups. Now the police say, based on the post-mortem, Mr. Nelson had no gunshot injuries.
To the chest from a metal object from possibly the airbag of the car. What was taken from the body was one metal projectile. And the projectile is not believed to be from a bullet, as was stated in the initial report. It is believed that the object was discharged with immense force from the car airbag upon impact, and that caused it to pierce the body of the deceased all the way through and damage the lungs, resulting in internal bleeding. The object that was retrieved will be sent for further analysis.
Now, Mr. Nelson reportedly crashed into a utility pole sometime after 11 p.m. on May 21. He was taken to hospital where he died. He was 53 years old.